Copper, the 29th element on the periodic table, is a reddish-orange transition metal with an atomic weight of about 64. It's one of the first metals humans ever used, and for good reason. It's highly conductive, corrosion-resistant, and easy to shape, making it an MVP of civilization from ancient tools to modern electronics. Copper is found naturally in ores like chalcopyrite, malachite, and bornite. Copper's history is legendary. The ancient Egyptians, Mesopotamians, and Romans all used it for weapons, tools, plumbing, and even mirrors. The Bronze Age, around 3300 BC, kicked off when people realized that mixing copper with tin made bronze, an alloy far stronger than pure copper. The metal's legacy is reflected in its name, which comes from cuprum, the Latin word for Cyprus, where the Romans sourced most of their copper. Today, copper is mined in massive amounts, with Chile, Peru, China, and the US leading production. It's extracted through smelting, leaching, and electrolysis, producing pure copper for industrial use. The metal's biggest claim to fame is its exceptional electrical conductivity. It's second only to silver but way cheaper, which is why it's found in wiring, circuit boards, and power grids. Beyond electronics, copper is crucial in plumbing, roofing, and industrial machinery because it resists corrosion. It's also a key ingredient in brass and bronze, used for everything from musical instruments to ship propellers. Even coins, including pennies, rely on copper. Interestingly, copper is also antimicrobial, meaning it can kill bacteria and viruses on contact. That's why hospitals and public places are starting to use copper door handles and surfaces to help stop the spread of germs. Plus, humans actually need copper in their bodies as it plays a role in red blood cell formation and enzyme function.